Hi everyone. So today we are going to build employee engagement survey dashboard in Power BI, and for that what I have done here is that I prepared the data set. You could see this is data set, like I have mentioned employee ID, then we have department, then we have gender, age group, then job level, tenure, quarter Q1 work recognition, like in quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 2 leadership support, then quarter 3 work life balance, then quarter 4 career growth, then quarter 5 team collaborations and the feedback, then overall engagement scores. So these are the fields taken in dataset, and this dataset I have imported in Power BI. So I'll show you this is the dataset which I have already imported here, right? This is the data. The same data is available in Power BI engine. Now another table also I have imported, which is called theme table. So if I show you, this is the theme table. So theme table, what it does, like theme is dark blue or teal color, or background color I have taken according to this in dark blue. This is background color, and this color is the teal color, and these are the white colors. Hex code. This is the hex code for white color. So visual background for visual background white color, and data for data, like data color is white. So this also I have imported. Why I have imported? Because I want to use the theme as a background, so that what will happen, that if I switch from dark to teal, so accordingly theme will be changed, and there will be different kind of an impact on visualization. And if I change theme of if I change theme from teal to dark blue, so accordingly there will be impact on visualization. So definitely how to implement this logic, okay? So that what will happen, that if you're building a dashboard in Power BI, and requirement comes that a theme should be changed, okay, there should be no button, or there should be no slices, so which I just click one click, and theme should be changed accordingly. Visualization or background color and data color should be changed. So those can be implemented by using this table, okay? So there could be multiple ways to implement the themes and switch the themes, but this is the best way to do it, okay? So first we will click on insert, then we have the shape. So I'll select this rectangle shape, and this is selected here. So what I'm going to do here is that just expand it more, and what we have to do, just click on a style, and once we click on a style, so you could see this FX button. So this is conditional formatting. Let's click on this, and we have here format style. So we have to select field value, then we have which field should be based this on. So we have the all data and the theme, right? So we are going to select the background color, okay, then click on OK. So this is applied here. See this. Now what we are going to do here is that we are going to send it as back. Done. Now what else we have to do, we have to click here, and we have to add the slicer. So I'm going to add the slicer on this shape, shape, and here I'll put data as theme, okay? We have taken as theme. Now let's do the formatting for this. So formatting would be slicer, and this should be tile, okay? So button, and this is reflecting as button, right? See this, okay? Now let's select it as single. So one value should be selected as always, okay? So if I make it into single select, so it means one value, like one theme by default it will be selected, and if we click on teal, so it will change to teal, and dark blue to dark blue. So this is how it is working. See this. So it looks amazing, right? So we can use other colors as well. As per the requirement, we can use the colors, and we can use the visualization color, background color, theme color, data color, okay? And multiple things are there which we can use it, okay? Right, this is working. Now what we have to do, slicer headers, we are going to make it off, okay? And then values, so values is okay. We can change the values color as well, like we can make it as teal, or let's make it as black, complete black, okay? So it looks good, right? See this, okay? Now what we are going to do here is that header as theme, change, switch theme. Now very nice. So let's change the formatting here, and this should be 15, and make it as bold and black. Okay, and then middle. Okay, we will apply the color code here as well. Okay, we will apply the color code here as well. So let's what we have to do, let's change the color of the text. Okay, so it should be now white. Okay, now let's put something else. Let's drag it to entire canvas space. Okay, now what we are going to do is that let's put the title of the dashboard. So we are going to put the title of the dashboard here. Okay, or employee engagement dashboard, right? Dashboard, that's all. So let's put the header, like change the formatting. We'll do the formatting one more time. Okay, and bold, this should be this, and then background color we can take it as this, and then middle. Okay, then we have effects. So let's make it background color off. Okay, now so this is done. Okay, now what we are going to do is that we are going to add. So if I change, right, so how it is working, it is working good, right? But what I want to do is that background color is selected, so I want, right, this one is looking good. So let's implement this. Okay, now it is matching. If we check, now it is matching, right? Here also I'm going to implement the same. Now let's add, and here I have written the DAX query for this. Date, this one. So it's very simple. You could refresh date and last refresh on. So what we have done, format now. There's a method which we have used, and based on that, when we use now, so it will take the system date. Okay, this date. So let's implement this. Sorry, let's take it and let's do the formatting. Call out values, make it 15. Okay, bold, and it should be this. Color code should be this. Okay, done. Now what we are doing here is that let's make it call out values of formatting should be this. Okay, category level this. So last refresh on 4th November 4:31, right? So it is reflecting. Now what we are going to do here is that let's add the slicer. Okay, so not slicer, now let's add the KPI cards. Okay, so let's add the KPI cards here. This KPI card I'll be using. I want to show here total employees first. Okay, then work-life balance. So this is the total employees. So let's do the formatting. So category level will be off, total employees. So I'll go here and I'll put total employees, total employees, okay, and then it would be 15, and then this format should be this, text color should be black, okay, middle, then we have effects, so let's make it off, okay, let's make it off, and then we have now text color will have to put as white, okay, and then middle it is already selected, so now it's come visual, and then here we have to make it 15. Our format should be this, bold, and it should be white, right? Now it is reflecting correctly, fine. Display units we can select thousands, okay, likewise, done, or we can show this as number as well, no problem. So like auto. Now let's copy and paste this, so this would be here, okay, and this should be engagement score, okay, so average engagement score. Now similarly what we have to do, we have to use it for another one, so we have to take average work life balance, okay, done. Now what we have to do, let's add one more, so copy and paste, and this time I want to use average leadership, so, done, okay, and now let's put this here, this side, okay, if I go ahead dark blue, it is reflecting, right, this, okay. Now we can do one thing, that let's this, and here also let me make it off, here also let me, if I go ahead, background no fill, okay, so if I go ahead blue, right, now we can do some more formatting here, we can add shadow and effects, so let's do it, this, and let's choose this one, and inside, okay. Now data format is use format painter, put this here again and again, and here also we can do the same thing, then last refresh date, okay, and we can do it here as well. We have to add our visual data here, okay. So this is that I want to show, here we are showing total employees, average engagement score, average work life balance, average leadership support, and also we have switch theme. Now I want to show the data here as engagement by department, how can we visualize that what is the engagement by department wise, okay. So that data we want to show, so for that I am going to use donor chart, okay. I'll use this donor chart here, engage department, so we have the data set table, so department is the column, okay. I have put it in legends. Now we have to show the engagement score, right, so average engagement score, this is the average engagement score. So what we are doing, we are showing the engagement by departments, means what is average engagement by department wise, okay. So this is the data. What we are going to do is that we are going to make this as off, background is off, okay. Now let's do the formatting here. So title would be let's come here first, and let's go to this table. Center is okay. Text value would be white. Okay, so our standard one, this, let's make it 12, then bold, and it should be white, and then title should be according to department. Then what we are going to details label are very much required. Okay, so outside it is reflecting outside. Okay, so values, and let's select this, not reflect here, bold, and it should be white. Okay, title, so let's average engagement, so we are going to write it as engagement by department wise, engagement by, okay, by department, and let's take it as normal. It should be font 15, sorry, okay, and the text color should be white. So now it is reflecting. Let's make it middle. So this is the data we are showing, right? And what we can do here is that let's go for effects, like shadow. We can enable the shadow, and the color should be this, we have taken, right? So inside, so this is done. I think the first part is that engagement by department, right? Now let's visual, and let's put this here. Okay, and this time I'm going to use this as pie chart, and value will be different here. So here we have to select as gender, that's all. So we have genders and values are reflecting. So let's put the title as engagement by gender. That's it. Okay, so this is the data we are showing. Now what we have to do, so we are done with this. Now what we are, copy this visual, paste it, background. Okay, let's convert this into line chart, and here value would be something different. Okay, there will not be any confusion. So engagement by tenure, average engagement by tenure. Okay, or done. Okay, so let's do the formatting y-axis and x-axis a little bit, because values is not reflecting. So I want to go for value, and this is okay. Let's make it 12, white. Okay, and then we have title, so same format we have to use, this, bold, and it should be white. Now let's go for y-axis. So we have to apply the same logic here. Yes, 12, bold, and then white. Okay, so values are reflecting. Same for title, so we have to use this 12, bold, and it should be white. So now it is reflecting, right? So this is done. Now what we can do here is that we can use, like you could see this, we have the job level as well. Okay, we have used department wise, we have used gender wise, we have used tenure wise, so we should be using job level wise. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this visual, and I'll put it here. Okay, and let's convert this visual into um, you know column chart, this one. And here I want to show the data as job level. Okay, so job level, let remove this job level, and we have engagement by job level. Okay, by job level. Here also we can change the engagement by score. Instead of that, we can use engagement by time, also over time. So see this looks good. Now engagement over time, so this we have to change the title first. So let's come here, engagement, so score by job level, right? So this looks good. Add a slicer here. So slicer would be for, like, I'll add it here. So slicer, so first I'm going to use department, okay, as a slicer. So this we have added, and if we convert tile, okay, if I say tile, then we selection all, okay, it looks like that. So let's make the you make it slice header off, and we'll give the title here as department wise. Okay, department wise filter, make it normal. So let's copy and paste. Okay, now what is happening is that we have to work upon this. Okay, so similarly we can use other one, control V, control C, and control V. So I'm going to put this here, and this time it would be like gender. Okay, and it is reflecting here, and one more. So this would be gender wise filter. Now let's copy, let's paste it. Okay, and this time it would be job level. Okay, so this is reflecting, so this would be job level. Done. Now we have to work up a little bit formatting. So select marketing, everything is working fine, right? All values are working fine. So if I say select all, now let's say add this. Okay, so it is okay. So let's copy and paste it here, again do it here. So now as you could see this, our data is ready, like dashboard is ready, and we can choose accordingly. Data is reflecting. Okay, so select all. Now let's change the theme also. See this, it is getting reflected, and we can it's very easy to do it. Okay, right, marketing, if a female, male, select all, finance, HR, sales, IT, mid level, entry level. Then we can use the filter, we can use switch, and here also you could see this time is being updated. So this is the neat and clean and professional dashboard that one should create it. And you can put more visualization, like if you want to develop a professional dashboard, so there should be only 4 to 5 visuals which will give clear cut data. Actually we are building the dashboard to show the data, that how data is working, right? Like total employment is there. So if I say the marketing and the total employment female wise, and it should be only the entry level. Okay, like if I say entry level, so it gives total employment marketing wise female and entry wise. So total employees 149, total average engagement 3.05, average work life balance, and average leadership support and all that. Okay, leadership support, and these are the data which we are getting it, right? So we can say finance as well. Okay, operation wise, HR wise, sales wise. Okay, and I'll give data set as well. Okay, I'll put the data set so that you can use the data set, and you can develop this type of dashboard at your end very quickly. So that's all about it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.